It's a warm day in January when you can go foraging out on the farm. So, hi, what do you have here? What are you making?
Watercress, lettuce, mint.
Yeah?
Can I see? And this stuff in your garden.
From my garden?
Yeah. And the
Okay.
Swiss chard.
Okay.
No, not Swiss chard, not parsley. It's the other
Some
thing.
dill, cilantro.
Yeah, cilantro.
So, how did you know to get all that stuff?
I just know they're everywhere.
You know it's everywhere? And when did you see the watercress?
Oh, like all the time.
When? Yeah?
It's everywhere in the water, in the creek.
Yeah. And are you going to eat this salad?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. Who taught you how to get all that? What
Nobody.
thing? Nobody did.
It's just, I noticed how much food there was.
How much food there was
outside.
growing outside in January? Yeah.
Do you remember this one?
No. All
I
right.
don't remember that sled.
No, I don't remember that one either.
It's
It's kind of amazing that just a few days ago this was all covered in snow and you guys were sledding, right? Yeah.
This one is broken.
Yeah.
And
I'm gonna take my farm people on a walk, and we're gonna go see some, give them a tour of some other things.
yeah.
So here's my summer kitchen garden, which I've shown people in the past, and you got some things out of here, right?
The Swiss chard, the lettuce. I only got some lettuce from that plant
Yeah.
because all the rest was dying.
Yeah.
And
Kinda got-
Swiss chard
yeah.
and all
Some other,
the other
yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, there's not much here, but you found the things that were here. All right, and I'm gonna give a quick update on our kitchen. It's slow going here, but the stove is out here, and I wish I had covered it with a tarp because it's getting dirty, but I have lots of hands to help me scrub it when it's ready to come back in. And we've got like a third of the floor covered in plywood. Yeah. Did you help with that? No. You guys are just having fun playing in here, right? The next thing that's gonna happen is moving the washer and dryer out of here. Yes, I've had my washer and dryer in the kitchen, or eat-in kitchen for 19 years, and my mom for 20 years before that, and my grandma since she had a washing machine. It's always been in here. You can you wait till after my video? All right. But that has to, when we've thought of a lot of different options in our heads of where we could move that so it wasn't in the kitchen, and there just isn't really, yeah, there isn't really any other great ideas here. We've got flooring picked out. Ruben and I went to Lancaster and picked out some really nice flooring, which goes with the cabinets that we're gonna put in. And it's, you know, one of those fake wood floors that looks like a wood floor and lasts a long time. So we'll be pretty happy with that. But this is the section of floor that has to come out. But it's going slow because our kids our big kids that usually help us are in Mexico. Can you close that door please for me? Visiting Andres and his family and getting some time off the farm. Everybody needs a break. When they come back, we're gonna visit Ruben's dad in Florida, so we'll get a break and get off the farm while they're here doing all the chores. But so Farmer Ruben's doing all the chores by himself and is training my nephew how to milk the cows. So he's looking forward to having another job. All right, Pippin, can you take her to the bathroom, please? All right. Cool, gotta take care of her needs. All right, I'll wait for you. And here's where they got the mint from. There's just a few straggling leaves there. And we come up this way every day to the other building where we have our little farm store. Ruben's been baking bread. Pretty sure the oven is empty, but still toasty warm here. I could cook dinner in there if I wanted to, depending on what I wanted to cook. And then so yeah, Ruben's been doing everything on his own these days. And so he did get the bread made. But as he said, it takes a lot of sacrifice and suffering, and the more he does that, the better the bread turns out. And bread was amazing this time. Yeah, you agree? Did you get some for lunch? Yeah.
To make a sandwich.
Yep. So just to wrap it up, we're looking for a baker who's willing to put in love and sacrifice and to stick it out with us for the long term. And we'll tell you more about that in this email that's coming out, in our YouTube channel. We'll have a new video about that as well. So send people our way if you know anyone who wants to up their game in baking and sourdough bread in a farm setting where ingredients really matter, so that the people that we're serving can eat different and live a great, nutritious life. All right, thanks so much. Bye.